Hello, what's up, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you something really cool. How to add your hooks to your beats using Suno Studio.
Real talk, real ones, real figures. Keep it on the real to make moves in the picture. Got a lot of plans and they getting real bigger.
And why is this like really dope? You think about it, a lot of producers became rappers or vocalists because they created these beats and had nobody to get on it. And I could speak to that too, which was what made me start to feature on my beat, was because you had all these beats and you needed somebody to get on it. So another reason why this is cool is because let's say you need a female vocalist for a hook. I mean, it takes a while to be able to get somebody, to get them to the studio. And then when you're even done with the song and you like edits done to it, you got to get that person again.
I'll be right back.
Oh, seriously?
Like, there's just a whole lot of dynamics. So the fact that you can actually create a hook makes it so unique. And I'm talking about a hook that suits the vibe of your track. So what we're gonna do here is I'll show you exactly how to do that in Suno Studio. Now, the track I've picked to do this is Real Talk. I'll play this track so you can hear it. It's a hip hop track that we're gonna give a hook. Check it out. Check that out. I think that's dope. We want to give it a hook. The name of the beat is called Real Talk. The first thing that you do is let's extract the stems and send it to Suno Studio by doing that. And so under Remix and Edit, you go to Open in Studio. It loads up in Studio for you. All right, so we have our track right here now. So the next thing we want to do, since we just want to add a hook, is we're going to go to Add Track over here. And we do want to select it to be a vocal track. So this is where the hook is going to be. So we'd go down here then and select vocals. As you can see, now the style we could put there and say hip hop, rap, style, motivating. So we have the style. And now, since we have the lyrics, let's say you've created your lyrics, because that's what we've done over here. I've already created the lyrics. The lyrics are saying real talk, real ones, real figures. Keep it on the real to make moves in the picture. Got a lot of plans and they're getting real bigger. They really didn't think we'd run it up, but go figure. So we're going to put that in there. I'm just going to copy that right here now. I'll put the lyrics right there, as you can see, and be done. Now, we definitely have to figure out where the hook is going to be. And so let's go over here. Put the hook in these 4 bars over here after the intro. You got the lyrics, you got the style, we got the vocals, and then simply create. And as you can see, it's loading up, it's creating that hook right there, and there we got it. So what I'm gonna do is hit this track right from the get. We can hear how that hook comes in.
Real talk, real ones, real figures. Keep it on the real to make moves in the picture. Got a lot of plans and they getting real bigger. They really didn't think we run it up, but go figure.
See that? That's pretty dope. And so all I got to do then is go find where else I need to put it in here and just move it there. So I'll just duplicate it and move the track to wherever the next hook should be. So we'll play here and we'll see exactly where we need to move it to, right? Let's hit the track again from the get and enjoy this, man. Play.
Real talk, real ones, real figures. Keep it on the real to make moves in the picture. Got a lot of plans and they getting real bigger. They really didn't think we run it up, but go figure. Real talk, real ones, real figures. Keep it on the real to make moves in the picture. Got a lot of plans and they getting real bigger. They really didn't think we run it up, but go figure. Real talk, real ones, real figures. Keep it on the real to make moves in the picture. Got a lot of plans and they getting real bigger. They really didn't think we run it up, but go figure.
Now you would have noticed like that second hook was a little off, but all you got to do is make sure you adjust it and it sounds just right back. You just have to make your adjustments here so you see how both hooks are going to sound now.
Real talk, real ones, real figures. Keep it on the real to make moves in the picture. Got a lot of plans and they getting real bigger. They really didn't think we run it up, but go figure. Real talk, real ones, real figures. Keep it on the real to make moves in the picture. Got a lot of plans and they getting real bigger. They really didn't think we run it up, but go figure.
So there you have it, how you can simply create your hooks. And there's a whole lot of other stuff you could do here. Add backup vocals, add more instruments that we'll get into in other videos. But this is a producer's dream, man, to be able to immediately put vocals on your track. If this was helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel so you can continue to see AI music and video production and music production in GarageBand. Until next time, peace.
Real talk, real ones, real figures. Keep it on the real to make moves in the picture. Got a lot of plans and they getting real bigger. They really didn't think we run it up, but go figure.